Hi, it's Bobby with Office Tracker. Today we're going to go over setting up your names list in your Office Tracker server. Once you have logged into your server, over here on the left, click on Names List and then click Add Name. You will need to fill out this information for each name that you need set up. Now, a name means a person, a room, a vehicle, a piece of equipment, anything that you need to create a schedule for. So you just type it in here. The only required fields are the name and the type. So I'm going to set up a Dr. West. Make sure if it's a person that it is selected as a person for the type. There are lots of selections here. Just choose what fits best. Only somebody set as a person will be able to log in from an Office Tracker client. If this person is needing to be set up as view only, meaning that you purchased a view only license for this person, you need to click the box right here. View only users are only able to view their schedules. They cannot add events, change events, delete events, move events. All they can do is view it. Okay. If you want this person to be part of a group, you can select from this drop-down menu here. The group must already be set up to add somebody to a group. I'm going to add him to the doctor's office group. You can add their email address for notifications and reminders, and you can set a password for that person. It is optional. Once you have set up all this information, you click Add Name, and it adds them. If you want to see the names that you have currently set up, over here on the left, click Show Names List. This will show you all of the names that you have set up. You'll notice I have some that are set up as a vehicle or a car, person, conference room. There's an overhead projector that somebody could schedule out. So there's your list. If you need to set up a new group, you can click over here on Groups. And you can see the groups that I currently have set up. Each name can only be a part of one group. If you wanted to add a group, you just click Add Group and type the new name and Add Group. If you were setting up a name and there was not the group you needed yet, come over here, add the group, and then go back to your Show Names list. Select the name that you want to add to your group. And then from here you can edit that name. You can change the name, you can change the group it's a part of. And once you're done, you click Update the Name and close. From this list, under Names List, you can also edit the sharing privileges. Click on Sharing Privileges. This is where you set up what each person can do. So I can go over here and I can pull up Dr. West, who I just set up. So this is Dr. West's schedule. I can give access privileges to anybody I would like to be able to set up events and appointments for Dr. West. I can set it up where everybody has access to his schedule, and they can delete, they can allow double booking, they can edit, anything that you want to allow or not allow. So I'm going to set it up as myself. So for Dr. West, for myself, I am allowing myself to be able to view his schedule, add things to his schedule, add reminders, delete, allow double booking. Double booking is, putting an event at the exact same time as another event or overlapping. If you do not want to allow double booking, do not check that box for that doctor. If you want to allow double bookings without a warning, you select this box. If you do not select that box and you allow double booking, if that happens, it will pop up a message saying, this is a double booking, do you want to allow it? Okay, once you have made your changes on here, you can hit save and it will update that. You can also do your sharing privileges by the group. So for Dr. West, if I wanted to give access privileges to the whole group of doctor's office, I could select that there and set the sharing privileges for the entire doctor's office group that I have set up. You would do this as well for any rooms that you have set up, exam room 1. I want to give sharing privileges to, actually I want to give it to the whole doctor's office group. So the doctor's office group for exam room 1. And I want to, allow everybody to do all of these different things. And hit save. The only other options under the name list are the connected users, which if you click on that, it will show you there's nobody viewing currently my office tracker. But if you had users that were currently using the schedule, it would show them on here and the last time they connected and disconnected. Import names can be used if you have a large number of names that you want to set up. You could follow these directions on setting up a spreadsheet to upload, and it would import your names in for you. All right, so that about covers the name list in the server.